Welcome to the Anna Darpan Assets and Inventory demo. The Assets and Inventory module in Anna Darpan centralizes asset creation, procurement, allocation, transfer, and tracking across all FCI locations, ensuring real-time visibility, traceability, and accountability throughout the asset lifecycle. Log in as admin or asset staff HQ and navigate to Asset Management, Add Asset. The user clicks on the Add Asset button, selects the asset supertype, chooses the asset category, selects the measurement unit, and enters the name of asset. If item level tracking is required, the user checks Enable Item Level Tracking. A confirmation pop-up appears asking to confirm item tracking. The user clicks Yes to proceed. The user reviews the details and clicks on Submit. The user logs in as General Asset in Charge and navigates to General Asset Management, Asset Procurement. Selects the department, enters the invoice number and date of purchase, then clicks Add Record. The user selects the asset category and asset name and enters the quantity, vendor details, and mode of transport if available. Supporting documents are uploaded if required. The user then clicks Submit. The user navigates to General Asset Management, Asset Procurement List. If only one division exists, it is auto-selected. Otherwise, the user selects the department, from date, and to date. The user selects the procurement record and clicks on Add Asset Details. The user selects the asset category and asset name. The system automatically generates rows based on the procured quantity. The user enters required information for each asset item and clicks Submit. The user clicks the barcode icon against the procurement record. After selecting the asset category and asset name, the system displays unique IDs and barcodes. The user selects a unique ID, clicks on its barcode icon, and then clicks the download icon to save the barcode. The user navigates to General Asset Management, Asset Allocation and clicks Asset Allocation. The user selects the asset category, department, asset name, and unique ID. Location details such as current location, room or section, specific spot or landmark, and allocated date are entered. Remarks are added if required, and the user clicks Submit. The user navigates to General Asset Management, Mark Asset Status. After selecting Department, Asset Category, and Asset Name, the user switches to the appropriate tab, searches for the unique ID, updates the status, and clicks Update. The user clicks Add Asset Transfer and selects the source department, destination office type, and destination department. The user selects one or more asset categories and asset names, enters the transfer date, mode of transport, and transport purpose. For traceable assets, quantity is entered. The user clicks Submit. The user searches for the transfer number in the Asset Transfer Details list and clicks the View icon. The system displays complete transfer information. The destination General Asset in Charge user navigates to General Asset Management, Asset Receipt. Clicks Add Asset Receipt, selects the department, dispatch ID, and date of receipt. The user selects the received items, enters mode of transport, adds remarks, and clicks submit. The user navigates to Asset Management, Asset Stock Details list, and switches to the General tab if required. The system displays current asset stock for the division. The user searches for an asset and clicks the View icon to open the Asset Details page. This completes the end-to-end asset lifecycle in the Assets and Inventory module. From asset creation to allocation, transfer, and stock monitoring, Anna Darpan ensures transparency, traceability, and efficient asset management across all organizational levels. Thank you.